Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this beautiful leaf. We will need some yarn and I'm going to be using the 3mm steel crochet hook to make this. We will start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have the slip knot ready. So insert the hook into the loop and get ready with the foundation. In the foundation we need to chain 21. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Now we are ready with the foundation chain. We need to skip the first chain over here and work a slip stitch into the second stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and then pull through the loop. This is the slip stitch. We need to make 4 more slip stitches into the next 4 stitches. So this is going to be the second slip stitch. And then we will insert the hook into the third stitch and complete another slip stitch. 3, 2 more of them. 4 and 5. Now I have completed 5 slip stitches over here and then we need to work 5 single crochets into the next 5 stitches. So insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. We will make 4 more single crochets. This is the second one. Three, 4 and 5. After completing 5 single crochets, we need to make 5 double crochets over here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the double crochet and we will make 4 more double crochets. This is the second one. 3, 4 and 5. After completing 5 double crochets, this is what it looks like. Now we need to make 4 treble crochets over here. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. We will make 3 more treble crochets. This is going to be the second treble crochet. 2, 3 and 4. After completing 4 treble crochets, you can see that we have one more stitch left in the foundation chain, so we need to make 10 treble crochets into this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is what we have completed so far. Now we are going to continue making the stitches onto the other side over this tail, so that we don't have to worry about hiding the tail at the end. So we will start by working 4 treble crochets over this tail onto the other side. So this is going to be the first treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we need to make 5 double crochets into the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then make 5 single crochets into the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are left with 5 stitches over here at the end. We will work 5 slip stitches into those 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have completed our first round. This is what it looks like. And then chain 1 to start with round 2. And then we will work 5 slip stitches into the center of the stitches over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we will start with the 6th stitch over here and work a slip stitch there, and work another single crochet into the next stitch, and work a double crochet into the stitch after that, and work 3 double crochets into the next stitch, 1, 2 and 3. So all 3 double crochets into the same stitch, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and work a slip stitch into the very same stitch. Now you can see that we have completed one of the spikes here, and we will continue to make the next spike. So work a slip stitch into the next stitch, a single crochet into the next stitch, a double crochet into the very next stitch, and 3 double crochets into the stitch after that. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and work a slip stitch into the same stitch. Again, work a slip stitch into the next stitch, work a single crochet into the stitch after that, and a double crochet into the next stitch, and work 3 double crochets together into the next stitch. 1, 2 and 3, then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then work a slip stitch into the same stitch. We will continue the pattern once more. Work a slip stitch into the first stitch, work a single crochet into the second stitch, and a double crochet into the third stitch, and 3 double crochets into the fourth stitch. 1, 2 and 3, then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then work a slip stitch into the very same stitch. This is what we have done so far, and then we will make the top of the leaf. Work a slip stitch into the first stitch, and then work a single crochet into the second stitch, and then we need to work 3 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2 and 3, then again work 3 double crochets into the next stitch over here. 1, 2 and 3, then work 1 single crochet into the next stitch and a slip stitch into the stitch after that. Now we have completed the top of the leaf as well, and work a slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 3 and work 3 double crochets into the very same stitch. 1, 2 and 3, then we will work another double crochet into the next stitch and a single crochet into the next stitch and a slip stitch into the stitch over here. Now we have completed another spike on the other side as well, and then continue. Work 1 slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 3 and work 3 more double crochets into the very same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Then work a double crochet into the next stitch and work a single crochet into the next stitch and a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again, work a slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then work 3 double crochets into the same stitch, 1, 2 and 3, and then work a double crochet into the next stitch and work a single crochet into the stitch after that and a slip stitch into the fourth stitch. And we will continue the pattern once more. Work a slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then work 3 double crochets into the very same stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Then work another double crochet into the next stitch and work a single crochet into the next stitch and then work a slip stitch into the stitch after that. Now we have completed all the spikes on the leaf, and then work a slip stitch into the next stitch, leave a little tail, and we will cut the yarn off. This is what we have completed, and we can use our yarn needle to hide the tail of the project like this. Now we have completed the leaf. If you enjoy this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crochet inspiration. If you have questions or a specific project in mind, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching.